Hello guys, good day. This is your guy CryptoAmbassador. Alright, so today I discovered a new opportunity on Satoshi. For those of you who have Satoshi app, right, if you check your Satoshi, you will definitely see this new coin token. Alright, get your PAP tokens now. So I decided to make a video about it and walk you through on how to go about it. This is actually my first time trying, so let's do this together. All right, before you continue with the video, please subscribe to my channel, leave your comments in the comment section. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so whenever I release a video, you'll be the first to get notified. All right, so let's get into the business of the day. So when you click on view details, you see Pearl Network is staking BTC restaking to new heights, backed by top VCs and blockchains like BNB chain. All right, so the next thing we'll be doing is clicking on get whitelisted. So let's see what it has for us. Enter the wallet address you used to complete the pair quest. Okay, you have to complete a quest. You have to complete a quest before you do this. All right, so haven't finished yet, complete quest here, so we'll be using this link here to complete the said quest. All right, okay, so this is a quest. Whitelisted participants, about 122,000 persons have done that. The total airdrop points will be 50 million. All right, so let's do this together. Right, enroll in our Pearl Airdrop whitelist. The unique opportunity is available only once. Don't miss your chance. Join the whitelist by November 30th. All right, completed quest but unsure about your whitelist status, enter your wallet address. Okay, here it is asking us to enter wallet address. Okay, so I will be getting my MetaMask wallet address. Okay, I'll be getting my Meta wallet address. I'm coming. MetaMask. All right, I'm logging into my MetaMask to fetch my EVM address. Okay, as you can see, this is my EVM address, MetaMask. I copy it, then go back to the Satoshi app, paste, then click on check status. You haven't completed the quest yet, keep going. Okay, now let's say we are to complete the quest. Participation overview. Enroll in our whitelist before November. This opportunity is available only once. Here is your step-by-step guide to get started. Okay, number one, set up a crypto wallet. MetaMask is recommended for the best compatibility. New to MetaMask, click here to okay. Complete quest. Okay, let's click on complete quest. It's not working, so where are we going for the quest completion? Open. Okay, okay, step-by-step guide. Complete the quest to support testing. The more points. Okay, these are the quests. Claim your gas fee directly from the Discord, from the blockchain, or through Discord. Okay, claim gas fee through Discord. Claim gas fee on core blockchain. All right, join Pearl's Discord and find Satoshi channel. Type core BNB. Okay, let's visit core chain faucet. Enter your core chain address. Okay, Let's start with this number 2. All right. Okay. Now I'll be putting my address. Continue. Okay, let's go back to confirm what we are. It says visit core chain faucet. Enter your core chain address. Click get the core to request gas fee. All right. Wait for the funded success. Okay. So now this is it. Click here. Funded success. All right. That is it. We've completed this particular quest. So let's go back. Let's go back. Then click on claim. Okay. What is the next? Claim free gas on BNB. Okay. Visit BNB, enter your BNB's merchant testnet. Okay. Make sure you have at least 0.00 BNB or BNB. Okay. Click send. Let's try this. I'm not sure if I have up to that amount, but let's try this. You can see how it is done. So make sure you do yours. All right. Please click each image containing an animal sitting or lying down. Okay. This one is lying down. This one is lying down. Okay. I think that is all. Next. This one is lying down, lying down, lying down. Verify. Okay. Insufficient BNB. So before we continue with this, I will have to fund my wallet with enough BNB, at least 0.002 BNB before I continue. So this is how to go about this. You have to finish up with all these quests. All right. You have to. This is quest 1. Just follow the instructions. You are definitely going to get it done. This is quest 1 and this is quest 2. All right. Claim your token, your text tokens. That is it. Quest 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is it. So make sure you follow up with all these quests. Once you are done, you will definitely get what you are looking for. All right. So these are the instructions how to participate. The first one is to have a MetaMask wallet, complete the quest, then download and register on Satoshi app if you don't have Satoshi. All right. Definitely for you to have come to this point, you must already have Satoshi app. All right, then open Satoshi app, enter the wallet address you used for the quest. Then the 5th, sit tight and wait for the airdrop on the airdrop to start on December 2nd. Then per airdrop points will be converted to pay tokens following the airdrop. Stay tuned for the upcoming announcements. All right, so guys, make sure you do this to qualify for the airdrop. So after this video, I'm going to be doing my own. I'll be funding my wallet with enough BNB to start the process. Make sure you do the same if you really want to participate on this very airdrop, guys. All right, guys. Okay, please, before you leave, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends. Peace out.